Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mix Ensure powder with water step by step. Start by measuring the recommended scoop amount into the provided cup, then add half the amount of water and stir gently to dissolve. Continue adding the remaining water while stirring to reach a smooth, lump-free texture. Taste and adjust consistency if needed, then serve or store promptly in the refrigerator. Begin by filling and leveling the scoop so each serving matches the label's nutrition facts. Pour the measured powder into a clean cup before adding any water to avoid clumps. Measure water with a clear graduated cup for accuracy, watching the markings for the exact milliliter amount. If you change the powder amount, adjust the water proportionally to keep the texture consistent and nutrient concentration as intended. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips and quick demos. Quick recommendation: a great read on money and mindset is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs oddly well with kitchen routines and planning. Check the description for the book link and other helpful deals or resources you might enjoy, and don't forget to hit like if this saved you time. Now let's get back to the video. Pour half the required water into the cup with powder and stir immediately to form a smooth slurry without lumps. Add the remaining water in one pour while stirring steadily for 20 to 30 seconds until fully integrated. Taste to ensure the texture and strength match your preference, then refrigerate if you prefer cold drinks, or serve right away for immediate use and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.